Welcome friends to my channel Sky Coding. Today's video is for how to make Wikipedia searching software in Python. So let's start the video.
A hello, world, program generally is a computer program that outputs or displays the message hello, world. Such a program is very simple in most programming languages, and is often used to illustrate the basic syntax of a programming language. It is often the first program written by people learning to code. It can also be used as a sanity test to make sure that a computer language is correctly installed, and that the operator understands how to use it. Google LLC is an American multinational technology company that specializes in internet-related services and products, which include online advertising technologies, a search engine, cloud computing, software, and hardware. It is considered one of the big 5 technology companies in the US information technology industry, alongside Amazon, Facebook, Apple, and Microsoft. Google was founded in September 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin while they were PhD students at Stanford University in California. Together they own about 14% of its shares and control 56% of the stockholder voting power through supervoting stock. They incorporated Google as a California privately held company on September 4, 1998, in California. Google was then reincorporated in Delaware on October 22, 2002. An initial public offering, IP